will turn you upside down.
Let's go.
I'm at the bottom, so it's
Come on, let's go, guys.
I'm fucking.
Come to the bottom. Come to the bottom.
I want to do a pretty cool level thing. Wait,
Come to the bottom.
wait, it's the last fight.
I'm waiting for you.
Fight to go home. Wait, I don't know where you guys are. Dad, I'm back at the haunted mansion part thing where the key is. All you. It's closed, guys. Where are you guys?
I'm back.
Where?
I'm Haunted Mansion. Don't
Wait,
kill
guys,
me.
what happened? I just barely joined my friend. But it's closed.
We were doing the Haunted Mansion run.
Can I get money with you guys? I have a duping glitch.
Yeah, it's closed.
I can get 100K. That's eggs. I have eggs.
Oh, not the key, not the key. The key.
It's closed.
I got a red one.
No, not the key.
I'm Steve. Guys, can I help you get money?
Sure, let's do another one.
Alright, open it up. We're here.
And these are not actually.
Then hurry up, please.
Oh.
Alright, guys, what do I need to do?
I'm trying to mill.
Galaxy items, not all of them. This is the galaxy. This is galaxy.
El Alamadalo Pulsaro.
Go back.
Guys.
Why do these
Guys.
guys?
What are you guys doing, dude? I came to get money with you guys. What are you guys doing?
We're making
I am
money.
gonna
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
log this shit. I'm gonna log
Go
this shit.
again.
I'm gonna log the server. I'm gonna log the server.
Guess I'm coming without y'all.
Why are you gonna lag the server, dude?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Come here.
How about let's go to mines? Let's go to mines to the company goals and research points. And also, guys, if you did see New Tour's video, he said that there's gonna be a new update soon, and they're gonna add a new map.
Wait, is there a new promo code as well?
No, there isn't.
Nobody take the
There
bag
isn't.
right now. Nobody take the bag. I'm gonna put it back in my stash.
There's gonna be a fishing rod that you can actually.
A
fish
fishing
in the
rod?
lake.
Wait, that might be
My
actually
bag, go
good.
take it. I'm gonna
Yeah.
put it back in
I
my
could just... I'm gonna kill the monster
Okay, bet.
so I can get crates because I'm trying to collect crates right now. I have 17
I'm
company
not-
coins. I have 17 company gems right now, so I'm good.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared of spiders.
Le gusta a gasolina.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there's ore. Actually, you know, you can get company coins from. I got a research points. And guys, if you have the golden pickaxe,
Hurry up and open
you
this
actually
bag.
get
We
more
need
luck
freaking
to get
cookies.
research points. Like look
I
how much
need to
research
find the
points
monster.
Got fatties. Hurry up.
you have the normal
I'm
pickaxe,
coming.
you don't have.
Show me
Much.
where to find the monster.
Okay.
Is there a monster in there, bro?
The monster's not here.
Where is it? What is this then?
Wait, that's the new map. Oh, that's not. Never mind.
Where's the monster?
Hurry up and open the door. Else we're leaving. Now hurry up and open the door. Else we're gonna leave.
There's a
Bro,
door?
the ogre went through the wall. We're about to die.